So after you're done editing the project, the final step is to export out the video or share it to different platforms. In order to do that, you go up over here onto the top right where it says share. So on the share, you have various options right here, as you can see. You can also access the same options by going onto the share menu up over here on the top left. Let us just go here and then see the different options that are provided to us. The first one is the local file. Once you click on local file, you get to this option right here where you can select a certain preset that you want to export your file as. Let's say, for example, MP4 1080p. Then you hit next and you can export it out to your particular folder of choice on your desktop itself. This is one of the common ways to export it out because you can use this video file to share it out through Google Drive or any of the video sharing platforms as you want. The other options you have allows you to directly upload things out to video sharing websites. For example, the first one here is Screencast. And once you do that, you are prompted to sign into Screencast right here so that you can directly add in information and publish to the website just like this. As you can see, it allows you to add in the video title, screencast options right here, and you can just press finish. You can also see the options right here on what you want to publish with, and then click on finish to publish directly onto the website. Similarly, you can publish to Nomania, and you can publish to TechSmith Video Review as well, just like that, which is a sharing platform right here. It signs you onto the TechSmith website itself and then allows you to share videos over there as well. The other option you have is Vimeo, and once you click on it, the Vimeo login page appears, so you have to enter your credentials and then sign in onto the website so that you can publish the video directly there. You also directly have option to enter the title, description, add in tags, and set the privacy, but you have to be signed in for it. I'm just going to cancel in my case, and now let me just press share again, and over here the other option you have is to share it directly to YouTube. And in YouTube again, you can see that you have to sign in, and once you sign in, you can add the title and everything directly from here. The final option that you have is Google Drive. Once you go to Google Drive, you have to sign in again, and once you produce it out, it exports it out directly to Google Drive from Camtasia. The other one is custom production, and this is something we're going to seek around in the further lessons. So those are the exporting options that are provided to you by Camtasia so that you can easily produce videos and share it with other people with ease. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.